If you're new to my channel, you can be notified of my latest video uploads by subscribing and pressing the all bell icon. Hello, how are you? Jessica, hello, how are you?
And watermelon seeds, pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds. This is hibiscus powder,
Linseed.
stevia, moringa powder and wheat grass. This is cashew. So, Mariali. This is badia, elaichi, cinnamon, laving, methi seeds, javandri, sesame seeds, mustard seeds, South Indian rasam powder, chili black, dana, red chili, ajwain, cashew, oats, peanuts, rose petals, rose water, honey, tulsi drop, jamun vinegar. This is bundi, puris, cacao powder. This is sambar masala, black sesame, chia seeds. This is mini khakra, white stevia powder, green stevia powder, plus jeera powder.
You don't use a microwave, you don't use aluminium pans and pots, you don't
Teflon.
use pressure cooker,
Teflon also.
no Teflon. What's wrong with pressure cooker?
If you cook in pressure cooker, we lose vitamins and it is create some unhealthy chemicals in food. Its temperature is over than 130 to 140 degree.
And with microwaves,
Microwave is not used in our because of we have OTG and air fryer.
OTG meaning
OTG means over toaster grill.
aluminium.
No, we are not use any type of aluminium cookware
What kind of harm does it do?
because of aluminium is a cause of cancer.
And Alzheimer's?
It is also we are not use aluminium foil for packaging and our parcel service we are never use plastic container or any type of harmful chemicals coated containers. We use always glass or stainless steel boxes.
You have a lot of knowledge about nutrition and food and its effect on the body. How do you know all this?
In a COVID period, I joined diploma school for nutrition and diabetic food.
What's your opinion on white sugar, refined sugar?
White sugar is not healthy and I say if you avoid brown sugar it is good because of excess sugar is not good for our health. Natural sugar just like banana, Chikoo, pineapple, it is good.
What about jaggery?
Jaggery is good but moderate. We serve food for diabetic person, iron deficiency, calcium deficiency, vitamin B12 and obesity. This is most dangerous disease for today's world.
Can I ask you, drinking from a glass or stainless steel glass or copper glass, I've heard that there's benefits from drinking from a copper glass. Do you know what the benefits are from drinking from copper?
Copper is best for our health. We need copper for our body. We use copper glass for 15 days. Then after 3 to 4 months not use copper glass. Then after we use copper glass for our copper needs.
So can you drink water from a copper glass every day or copper bottle?
No. We not use more than 15 days. Then after stop.
What's your opinion on cooking on matko, which is clay earthenware?
It is not harmful to cook in a clay vessels. It is very much harmful to cook into that non-stick, aluminium, all type of new advanced technologies vessels are pressure cooker. It's not good for health to eat. Cast iron, it's good to eat because we get iron from that.
What about oils?
Without any processed oil is good. In India, we believe in sesame, coconut, peanuts and mustard oil.
To clean our vegetables, we use soda bicarb.
And acetic acid also, which is white vinegar.
Have you heard of Dr Sebi?
Yeah, Dr Sebi's food recipes are very good and very nice. Same as we have Ayurvedic food habits. So it is therapy from natures and natural therapy. So we follow Ayurvedic food and Sebi's food. Both are good for our health.
So Nandubhai, an absolute pleasure for me to talk with you. I could talk with you for hours and hours, but time is limited. So interesting to find somebody, and rare to find somebody who's on your wavelength. People are corrupted by society and what they eat, what they think is good for them, what they think is bad for them. Even though you're a restaurateur, you studied nutrition, you studied food. When you go to a doctor, they prescribe you medicine. They want you to stay ill. They want you to stay ill because they wouldn't have business if you're not ill, yeah? They try and give you medicine thinking it's good for you. For you, your medicine is food. That's the prescription. That's what you're prescribing to your customers. I wish you well in your business. Until next time, just a customer. God bless. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.